Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Discover with JC, and today I want to show you guys, the developments, the road construction going on in Abia State. This is a compilation of road construction going on in Aba and in Umuahia. So this is Portharcourt Road, the popular Portharcourt Road in Aba, Abia State, that is, being reconstructed by the government of Abia State. Okay, so I'm going to show you, how work is going on here, the extent at which work is done on this road. This is a huge project and one of the most talked about road projects in Abia State, because this road is going to lead Aba to Portharcourt. When it's done, you can be able to drive from here to Portharcourt. So you can see this section of the road is blocked. You can see those stuffs over there, is for the road you are seeing in this video. Look further and you will see a heavy duty doing some work over there. So you can see closely. I don't know what this is, but I think it's going to be used to cover the drainage, something like that. Okay, if this is the first time you're tuning into my channel, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't stop watching. It's going to get more interesting as you keep on watching. So right now I'm moving and I'm going to go down a little bit so that you can see what is going on here. Okay, that's Julius Berger truck in front. Is it Julius Berger that is handling this project? I don't know. If you know, you can write in the comment section. Okay, but I think it's Julius Berger. So you can see how wide the road is. The road is very, very wide. Okay, when this road is done, it's going to be so nice. Okay, not just a Portharcourt Road. I have, like I said, Umuahia and Aba. I'm still going to show you some roads in Umuahia that are under construction. Okay, so you can see how this place is. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share. There are a lot of road projects going on in Abia State, that is being carried out, that is being, by the Abia State government, the government of His Excellency Governor Alex Chioma Oti, the governor of Abia State. So I'm going to make a lot of videos regarding development and road construction in Abia State, but I decided to just do these three, compile these three, and see if you guys, are going to watch it, are going to like it, and I'm going to do more and post more on my channel. So click the notification bell above so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. So guys, this is Umuahia and this is Lodu. I think Lodu is in Ibeku. So this road you are seeing wasn't this okay before it, so it has been touched. Okay, work has been done on this road. But I'm going to take you also to Dozie Way, where the road wasn't good at all, but work is also, going on there. You understand? So I'm going to show you Dozie Way. This is Umuahia. Now we have left Aba. This is Umuahia. So this is Dozie Way. So you can see from this video that they are trying to, fix this road. You see how they have already poured some chippings on this road. This is Dozie Way. So just imagine when this road is done, how beautiful this place is going to be. And it's going to also help, to decongest the Ekotebene road, because some people now will also want to fly through this road other than applying the Ekotebene road. If this is the first time you're tuning into my channel, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share, and don't stop watching because I'm going to show you the 6-lane road construction going on in Umuahia, one of the most talked about road projects in Abia State, the 6-lane Ossah Express Road in Umuahia. So keep watching because I'm going to show you more projects in this video. Okay, so guys, I'm going to take you right now to Ossah Express Road, where the 6-lane road construction is going on. So this is cooperative in Umuahia, very just around gates. This is cooperative. So I'm taking you guys now to Ossah Express Road, where the 6-lane road construction and expansion is going on. It was previously a 4-lane road, but the Ebo governor is expanding it to 6-lane road. So I'm going to take you guys there to see how far the road, has been done. Anything about road in Abia State, wherever they are doing road, whichever update you want in Abia State, just tell me in the comment section, and I'll go there and make videos and post and give you guys updates on what is going on in Abia State. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share this video. There's no day you pass on this road that you don't see a new development, progress, improvement. The road, is moving so fast. They are really trying on this road. Okay, so just imagine when this road is done, how it's going to give Umuahia a facelift. Okay, Umuahia is going to look so beautiful when this road is done. When this road is done, they're going to put street lights, Just imagine how beautiful this place is going to be. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share this video. I want to say a very big thank you to my returning viewers. That is people that always watch my videos, people that always watch the videos I post on this channel, especially the road construction videos, even those that watch my sit and talk video. All of you guys, my returning viewers, I want to say a very big thank you to you guys. Thanks a lot for always making our time to watch my videos and support me. And also my new viewers, I want to say a very big thank you to you guys. You guys are welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share, and click the notification bell button above so that whenever I drop any video or a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please watch to the end so that you can know how to the extent at which this road is done. And you can see some people that were complaining about open drainage. I was telling you guys that no, there is no open drainage here, or the drainage are closed. You understand? This is not like back in the days. You can see the thickness and the quality of the drainage. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.